Hey everyone, so in this video I want to thank Tymo for sending me their Airflow 2-in-1 hair curler and straightener. And basically what this is a versatile hair tool, and it's designed to straighten or curl your hair using advanced airflow technology. In this video right here, I'm actually going to be curling my hair. The next video that I upload, I will be straightening my hair with this product. So as you may be able to tell, this is a bit of a learning curve for me because I normally do flexi rods or like a curling wand when I put my curls in my hair. So using this to do my curls is a bit of a learning curve for me. And the front is going to look really good, but the back, towards the end of the video, you'll see that I'll need a little more practice doing the back of my head, but the front, I could see it really good, so the front looked pretty good. All right, I'm going to turn the volume up where you can hear what the airflow technology sounds like. So the purpose of the airflow vents is to minimize heat damage while you're styling your hair, and it also helps to cool your hair, lock in moisture, add shine, and to set the style for longer lasting results. So I'm going to quickly go through some of the features of this product. One of the things that it has is adjustable heat settings, so you can change it. It has a 360 swivel cord, a combination of ceramic plates with the airflow technology. And it can be used for curling or straightening your hair. So I'm pretty much going to let you guys watch the rest of the video. Make sure to let me know what you think down in the comment section. Leave a thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.